Everyone, this is my E46 M3 and we've owned it now for quite some time, and we really haven't done any modifications to the car. However, I'd like that to change if I have the key. I bought this, put a link in the description below for this item, and I want to sew it around the steering wheel today to kind of upgrade the look a little bit. The issue is I can't sew, so my sister is going to be doing the sewing for me, and in the end this red piece here is supposed to be somewhere up here, and then the whole thing should be nice Alcantara. I really like the material, like it feels really good. I don't know how long it will last, but let's see how it looks after it's sewn on to the steering wheel. Out so well. I like how it looks. I didn't anticipate that it'd feel this good. Yes, you have some parts over there that don't sit quite well, but overall for a hand stitched like first time steering wheel, I think it's okay. This is also like the first time I'm ever ordering anything from AliExpress. I'm pleasantly surprised. Done me right. Question is, would I order more? I don't know. Is it safe? I don't know, but yeah, I guess so. I'll try some other things up there and see how it goes. But for now, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.